Hello everyone, welcome back to Carbonwurks. As you can see behind me, we've got the development RE back in again today. And what have I got to get to grips with? Well, literally the steering wheel. So we're going to round up and finish off the modifications and upgrades that we've already got started with on the steering wheel. So the eagle-eyed amongst you will notice that it's already got a retrimmed Alcantara custom Carbonwurks steering wheel on it. We've got a few bits to complement that upgrade. One in particular that I know Dan has been really keen to get on the car, which is an upgrade paddle shift kit. We've also got a couple of colour-coded trims and stuff that we're also going to add on whilst we've got the steering wheel apart. So follow me over here. We'll go through the upgrade shifters. So they're from our friends at Werks. It's their Madtrace product, as you can see here. So they are magnetised paddle shifters, essentially, as you can hear. So what do we know about these? They are a billet aluminium construction, anodized, so hard wearing finish in black. Obviously what you can see of it behind the steering wheel is aesthetically pleasing. High strength neodymium magnets, which is what gives the quick reaction and the audible sound. And then lastly, you have the choice of adjustable paddles, be it standard size or GT oversized specification, which will allow you to bring them further out to the diameter of the steering wheel, as well as obviously carbon fibre finish, which, as you know, we love here at Carbonwurks, and yeah, larger in length, so again, greater access to the paddles depending on where your hands are on the steering wheel. So that just about covers it. Direct plug and play fitment, so nothing to worry about in terms of software or anything related to diagnostics. So it is just a case of removing the steering wheel, swapping out paddles like for like, getting the adjustment set and bolting them all back in. So that's the highlight of today. Like I say, we've got some colour-coded bits to go back on as well behind me, but the main thing that we're here for is these paddles. So stay tuned for a bit of B-roll, maybe a bit of a how-to, and then finish up review what we think of the product once it's all installed. So that's the installation of the paddles complete. You'll see, or will have seen, or will see from the video, the noise clips, hopefully in some B-roll of them being installed. So I chose to leave the wheel bolted to the car, but obviously it's just one centre bolt to take it off completely so that you can do it all on the bench. But yeah, nice straightforward one. Just some Torx bits required really, T20 for the switchback, T10 for the paddles thereafter, and then the Allen key needed for the paddles themselves is supplied by JQ in the kit, which is very comprehensive. Also available now on our website. So yeah, we're really pleased with these. Dan's going to sign off with a road test on the way home this evening. But yeah, on the face of it, plug and play as described, looks really nice. Adjustment as described before, so that allows you to line them up perfectly with your steering wheel. Nice loud noises for the acoustic reward of shifting gear. And that's about it really. So yeah, really happy with this product, which is why it's on our website. Thank you for joining us, watching this video. If you're here till the end, much appreciated. As always, like, share and subscribe away. Stay tuned for the next installment on this car. Thanks very much.